Deep beneath the old oak tree, the black ant colony thrived in peace. Their treasure, in gold crow, was the source of their strength.
But 3 hills away, the Red Ant Empire had their eyes on that very gold. We won't just take their gold. Bang, we'll take their queen too. Before the sun could rise, the attack had already begun. The treasury was being emptied. But this was only the beginning.
Queen Obsidia was cornered Alan inside her own throne room.
She was taken captive, and the colony was left in ruins. Captain Thorn stood in the wreckage, and rage burned inside him.
Some soldiers were captured, left bound in the middle of the battlefield.
And now, the entire Red Army marched onto the battlefield, bringing fire and destruction with them.
Tonight, we strike back at the Red Hills.
As the sun began to set, both armies stood ready, and war was about to begin. End of part 1.
Under the cover of darkness, the Black Ant Army prepared for war.
Captain Thorn led his soldiers through the shadows, straight toward the enemy stronghold.
The Red Hills rose before them, a fortress built on stolen gold. Scouts slipped past the guards, searching for a way inside. Rope by rope, freedom was within reach. A fierce battle erupted around the rescued soldiers, a Vunnerd. Every second counted.
At the fortress gates, Captain Thorn broke through with his strike team.
Every corridor brought a new fight ping, but nothing could slow him down. But General Pinchers stood in their path, Goon. The final battle had begun.
For the Queen! I'll rip you apart, Thorn!
The Queen was free, the gold reclaimed, and peace slowly returned to the hills. The ant war for gold had finally come to an end.